Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check the Grit TV schedule, daily programming guide step by step clearly. Open the web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Click the address bar and type Grit TV schedule or Grit TV daily programming guide. Press enter and wait for the search results to load. Choose the official Grit website result when you see it to avoid incorrect listings. On the Grit site, look for a menu option like Schedule, TV Schedule, or Programming. Click that Schedule option to open the Daily Programming Guide page. If the page asks for location or time zone access, allow it so times display correctly. Find the Date selector or Day tabs near the top of the schedule. Select today's date if it is not already selected. Scroll down slowly to view the list of shows in time order. Check the time shown next to each program title to know when it airs. Click a program title if you want to see episode details, description, or runtime. Use the Now or Live indicator if available to see what is currently airing. If you want to see a different day, select Tomorrow or pick another date from the calendar. Switch between morning, afternoon, and prime time by continuing to scroll. Look for any special blocks, marathons, or themed nights listed in the guide. If the schedule shows times you don't recognize, confirm the time zone setting on the page. If you use an antenna, check your local listing to confirm the channel number for Grit in your area. Open your TV's channel guide to verify that your local Grit station matches the times shown online. If you have a streaming TV service, open that app and search for the Grit channel listing. Compare the app schedule with the Grit daily programming guide for the same date. Use the search function on the schedule page if you want to find a specific show quickly. Type the show name in the search box and review the matching results. Add the airing time to your calendar so you don't miss the program. Set a reminder on your phone for a few minutes before the show starts. Refresh the schedule page if it looks outdated or if you suspect a change. Bookmark the daily programming guide page so you can return to it easily every day. Repeat these steps whenever you want to check what's on Grit TV next. Subscribe to our channel and like this video to support more clear step-by-step guides. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.